bana barenja uzito somya bamuraba kikuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba kikuya mandege.
Karibu sana mwanchomo rigiria Ogetembe TV ritukeriga ria Jumatano ni rituko turachie kumurikira gose gukwanira emirimo ere special sana emirimo ere ya bene nabo igo tukurigiriria amangana ayabasaya amangana yo gutumika cinchira ciekirero gukora gose gwikirania amangana ao ase emeyiga ona boigo aigase studio ninde no mugeni. I think arachikobe tofauti sana singencho yemiremo yaye yure engana yokogoke kimakorine no kumanyangana bakonyara gusanga na intwe ase chinsemo cha Facebook chinsemo cha YouTube ase botonyora muna Getembe TV erinde tunyare gostara naye gose goskanaye meyo morobiro iga eyemo ase eyemo igo ase ritukeriga gose ritukeriga ria Jumatano tuchitwa murikira amangana eyabasa emono nabo igo kurigereria emirimo eri abange bagendete konyora ase chinga kichiga ane mono buna amangana technology gose ebintu bigendete gonchorere igo ritukeriga ria bene ase studio gose asinsemo aiga ninde nere MC
Kenyan
I
Chigiri.
think abono nayo bwana to co-host.
Okay.
I feel like egasio kora bono nayo bwana to kombe kembe sebone
Nchetina retiga iga bono amu abo bono mbange.
nakibwagire
Wakire buya. Nakimwabokire babo.
nche nabo getakare mya nabo ka
Oh.
yes
Nche mbiande nabokire buya. Nagokira kubona ino mambi abono. Erinde tukwane tusange tosemia abantu bamintu na baroba tosemi. So murobiri yomuya. Bogo semia bamintu.
umurobere no ibotwani ya Getembe karibu sana asenchira ere ya bene kiguma Kenyan Chigiri ile telingiri minute
Kenyan Chigiri.
yes
Kenyan Chigiri neri talio kogokitu. Kenyan Chigiri onye gwakinite kare ogotera nkore tware gotera kare.
Kenyan Chigiri kyabere kiromwana
Kenyan Chigiri kyabere kiromwana para Kenyan Chigiri it's a song and neri tali koreto mogokasa abantu.
yes
Sengencho kare ukuri gukumanyanga a vibe nerega iga. So I just
eli taligo cha kubatikana ne chinchigiri
eri tali go chakobwatkane chinchigiri nembu ya nenche buna Johnson Juma Oseko. Number 1 nche nganchite kungo kina nganchite kosol na abana sana. Number 2 nche no muntu okoretera. Nche no muntu okorete vibe. Nche no muntu okogokia abantu. Nche no muntu okoreta hope. Nche no muntu gwikirania mangana aba bunatakireko. That is MC Kenyan Chigiri, Africa's finest. Yes.
Muyamana sana karibu haigase studio MC Kenyan Chigiri anda kelitari yao your official names wasike bande na kero kebate chinchigiri
Yeah, kebande nkiba chinchigiri elitari ya nkoroku Johnson Juma Oseko. Yes, AKA bono liamanyagocha AKA lakini kebande nkibwati AKA
kibande kiasogeti aliyo bible
aliya bible nelia na yana yororera nelia nelia batizo.
Muyamana sana kwa boka korunse kia gusi okoro
nchenko yo nabo gakuru bonchari abogia kumward omwanda location Motonyoni village okibegei abo nabo gakuru tingi chetiare nabo nkurangiria omwana ndetera match kurwa minto nchensa sa mata ko gwetaka paraka ya bonchari sa nonka omwanda abo nongi boire
bado chinchu gunchire
bonchari bono ya seitogo chantu ntoli bali mbanchuku lakini chinchu gunchire go chimugumo mate go chibo maribeyo ya go chibo gitara lakini ntugo chara go rase itege ntoke gutuko
yes
ne MSC amauga maya flowers emekabiri yo go simeka chikayaba ntuna abantu be tree nursery where I come from ntuna abantu togo kole mbere muyemete tuna abantu banyasaye togo gendera tyo botongi bwa tata no ngiboirega
abantu banyasaye kanisa tibete intingo swana na mono anyway nararia aliyo kuchiwakora wakwanire gusimeke miti wakwanire chinchigiri emirimo yawe neri
emirimo yane number 1 nchingo kora ndigasi ne serikali ye county ya Kisii
yes
no ndegali buna protocol officer under the Department of Communications.
Okay.
But I'm more of hustling than what I work for in government. For me, sometimes I say, for me, and without fear, is government is a side hustle for me. So I serve the people. I also serve the community. More in community than even in government. But still in government, I'm more to service to humanity.
Yes.
Yes.
Mbibona sana watebere nga protocol officer.
Yes.
Andake muncho mahukuru na bakwe buri ngaki. Watebere kaunti utatiga uchabu si gwatora bitogitembere gwakwanire. Oyo mirimo kyao kora.
Protocol officer is about order. You are the one to make sure everything is in order in government. Pecking orders bidigere gubuya emiroberi ya serikali, for example kere event here kuike emiroberi ya serikali program webe followed to the letter. Ngo chaka ngo saba ngo kora ABCD ngo isaransa gati ngo isaransa to the left ngo isaransa to the right ngo isaransa behind the boss. Who should come early ngo ko hariganiyo monene chibichanga kichiwaku. It's about what you see, the order that you see in government. So intuna abantu bakora tumuroberi
Omochoko muroberi ochaboye chogete.
Omochoko kokurigeria ebintu bono okonyora bireke biro kigima nabo irego. Einero nyumungi ndigereti ari einero ngonyu omuge ingabuna nyumba omuge ningo chari kwikatwabuse talibo.
Yes.
Kwikatoro twari bitamba ibiroge kwikatorusie bikombe byabageni kabati kwikatubanga omugeni kyo gutumie sani endabo ngo isaransa gari. That is also how government works. Yes, that is where I work.
Aya, mbia mwana sana na isikaiga andake bali bako manyete ase chinyangi ba ukomera usenkai.
Semiriga ya kirengencho. Inche ne events consultant, but I'm more of an event host. I moderate the event nyangiga, a bash, chinyome, retirement ceremonies, high-end, more respected send-offs. We also consult in giving you a program. Sometimes a program na bego chandu monto buate MC obuate kero monto, but that flow to yemanyeti. We also help you logistically go panga event yao, not just to host boka but to plan kohora nebintu binde bikobwat. So you can ask me, can I find a dom tent bosongo? Tagete dom tent, so I can link you up and you pay for that service. Ntagete mbuate nyomo abakamba nko nyomo barega tinta getioche nimbwatu mwana no talented lakini tokonya korostwe program. So that you pay consultants fee for the drafting of the program. Then I'll tell you if this kayugo chikokore event nagenda nago advice nago tebega tutageti dom tent I go tageti tent flani set up yasa etakirebega. So that is what I also do as a side hustle outside, more of moderating events. Again, other than moderating, we also consult and advise. Asa mangana yoko bange meroberi yao eve eme kiranu ne ya maskani. Yes.
Emeremeye neganitia kewa neganitia montatu ale kewa. Is it a talent?
For me, I can say it's a talent and a calling. This is something when I kere nachete into government. I went into government ntamait kende. But because na wate talent, ne talent ya gerate eserikali ekandukate. I was so selfless.
For how long kwa bere ko korase serikali county?
I've been working for the last 12 years.
12 years.
Yes. Since devolution started.
Igo bintu birito kora andanse somo igabwika okora one county bune bintu biko flow. Asi okoroberia korobekana.
Asokoroberia meroberi, yes. My hands are there, but then mostly my hands were being involved mono engakiwa the other regime. Mine is more of office work than really handling the event, because you know regimes come with more changes, and in government we accept new roles assigned by our bosses. So since the change of regime, since we had our new governor, His Excellency Marathi, so I'm now assuming another role, the role that I also do passionately, advising from the background, but not from the front.
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Igobona ekewa kiro monto ngaki andake ko yeto karanga ekewa kengeraro.
Kanisa, ne skuru, but I will say more to kanisa, and that's why I want to tell the young people, Bantegarete and the parents, that it is good also kubeka bana baitase kanisa. Nchekinde kanisa, I acted and I was singing for a group ya Zion Iterio. I could stage plays, I could make people laugh. Then ngacha realizing what? Then maybe nyoroga ali michango ya bana kwende skuru. I was so passionate. Kinko rali kondo ya ninko igungo chigirira iga na igundi kune. So as I was progressing, kingo so ata unia koni bimeriga ali capital roundabout. Chichi road show chinke by then cancel echi. Anything kiari wapeni tauni nari ko iguri kondo na igungambia. Kingo so mari Bishop Mugendi Nyamokenye. I was also a very serious actor na narrator and noma sana mangana yechi play. So I can say any talent. When I realized it, I started nurturing it. Kuruoboke. Na handi nagategerere sana umungwana abangwana abari ku moderate the national events. Nkwa nari komisi okonyora tuntegerete. So I realized it, and then I look at it like it was a calling kurundu mwana, because I was so passionate. Nande I was nurturing it. I still nurture it because it's something I do with all my passion. Nikisikia tu naitiwa mic, siangalii do. Naangalia tu yani yo. It flows.
Kendi gionsi nakeba embura omugaso.
Yani nche naonda
ebe omojega ondo ponse obena sama bia.
Asama benche ko make sure mete mabinaru kuri kwa rango yati mugaso. I must bring people back to the mood and also encourage them that now we should move on. Amabinaru kuri yali so painful and then you bring that mood enyororo and toereru. And then we are now encouraging people to source for serious MCs to host the funerals, because a funeral is one special thing ketari wapen na endi in families. So sometimes oko abante ebidero wabitan go for their moment to shine. So that's why we are encouraging abantu amintonga source for professionals bakubangere ebidero. Ebidero na biro bimete nkoro kibirenga umuchi yinonga kimwechogete. So no. Let's give our people a befitting send-off. So if you want a befitting send-off, source the finest, source the people who understand.
Yes, Kenya nchigiri.
Wow.
Abange rero kero kurigire no nyana abasaya abantu abange batemere kwebekera ati ogotwara chitaite chiga MC kanyoro monte secretary ya MC someone especially kero tukurigire ke kwalinkira iga sorogoro agusi ke oliage ke abantu bale chinguru abasaya kero mondati tego bear that title. What does it take umuntu gutwara title yokoba MC or a professional?
You know, you find umwana abantu bagotera bakweruka MC.
Yes.
Kwal abantu bakwact beruka MC. MC is a serious title, of which I want to tell abantu bamintoreronga. This is a title, this is something very serious. Naboko ba moteri to MC. Singing is not MCing. MCing is hosting an event. MCing is serious moderation. MC tali ukora abanta soko bateri.
Yes.
It calls for so many other things okoligereri. So professionally, umuntu nabatakiri kiwatakiri kwero ko MC, you know, talent na nabe okoroking I'm an MC. But it's good that you get trained so that to understand. So that's why konyo umuntu I will think this is MC kebanchigiri go say MC someone kwa muhaloketi nyangi. Then you realize regasi ano ko tell abantu kerabone bikano no go moderate biago bianan tambai ti crew era ruchikira jinsa no go tera. So sometimes people misinterpret that back hang MC no go tera. MC I think it's very different from Ogotera. And my brother Sabateri, you get me right. Talinga Ankova Chungeri, but then I know some people who call themselves MCs, they again come back to us. On the Inchuma Tena to us your MC, which I appreciate. MC, and these people are very good, by the way. For example, let's say Makubamba is an MC, is MC Makubamba, but he does more of singing. So Keranyo Regas no got Kenyan Chigri, Moyego Yondoche, no never my attention MC. tutageti gotera koneno tutageti experience the likes of me these people they give us back. I think it's just a title wa kuyanga MC, but they know who are
It
the
takes a
MCs.
lot
It takes a lot.
koba MC.
It takes a lot to be an MC.
Omuntu yiga training ki any special training for someone who koba MC.
Yes, very serious training in government, in Kenya School of Government. These trainings are available, but more of passion. You know, you can go study media. Muna anapokuwa na Matilda Truchingwa somete, amanganaya, lakini anapokuwa develop passion towards kwa MC. So then now you can follow that line. And I want to encourage, if you see that kind of talent, naboko yerigeli, you train, after what training, you can learn from the best. Like me, mostly, I learned from the best. I was able to look and watch. Narigeli vya namanya nga kia koraiga. Kia kogera chakira Matilda, Okorra Gose, Eric Walr.
Yeah.
So it's available. Training schools in Chirochigo train. The government has those opportunities of training. But again, when you go to the MC, you must have passion. You must have passion. Like, you know, for example, me, when I have a show like now, I have serious shows lined up, serious funerals. I've been training. So I must train. I must go to my mirror. Training.
Igonga wikira boniga turanyore training yaisene negento gusomali tukaseri.
Every day.
Yes.
Every day. Every day. You learn every day because kirege ntike go change kiralito. Protocols chiarenge kale tale chiro chirabon. So you must train. Again, turikugendanga no manyete, you know, every role has a different way of approaching it. Talibu.
Yes.
Okonyoranga nanya ko host this serious kind of funeral. So you must go back to online, follow those kind of happenings because kwizin the wise sim chigoto konya kwarigereri wate nase asekerore kwanya go train kwatumire program in advance kwanya go aturu kamangana just like no na yo meta na bombu ekaine okorara igore iringa mambi kenyanchigiringo chari oyo ningo gaki nakiko sakari na achache lakini kagocha ntagete muburiga nkorega you rehearse every day, which you do, which I must do, because as you said, like again, naonyekando na bole studio lakini na bole skali, na bonde skali lakini onkore na bole studio. You see, ebine bintu like into nabantu be media, into nabantu be media, so we could train.
Yes, as a mentors, as a rugungo rogsi, ntubate mentors, as a mangana MC. Abantu babere byorokerere bali omuntu abwati chimbaratero cyatabenga ndogatwalira omuntu kete okabangire omuyega baka abantu bamwerogete. Yes,
I think umanyete this role ye MC na events by the way in Kisii and this region ebyachaka ko pay muna devolution yachaka muna chikaunti yachaka mbwangoiga ebitali bintu byamanyire ebine bintu byarenge we are reserved in Nairobi, so you could only have state MCs, Igari, in presidential offices. We are devolved. One of them to be devolved, people have started seeing. Sometimes I've seen young men who are MCs and who are becoming very good MCs, and they tell me they look up to me. But I also had a mentor, Onkonyete Sana, and his name is Baby J Nyambane. Nyambane is a serious guy. We worked with him in government and I learned a lot. So to me, I can say Baby J Nyambane is a very serious MC. You know, he has also worked with the state, the way he plans his thing, a go-getter. He's one serious MC. And go admire. And in the country, there's one gentleman who is Gitone. Gitone is one of my best friends and mentors. And again, people like Fred Obachi. Fred Obachi, as okinire kurukobo mutangazaji mpaka host events in. I remember one time now stationary event ya kuruku kikao 045. It was a media something.
Yes.
Then I learned a lot. So it's also a role model that I look up to. But I'm also happy that abana bakebono bacha kirikoba CMC they look at me as a role model, which is a good thing. And some are coming up very well, but something that I also love because I can't be here, be there, and everywhere. Yes.
Nase amiroberio oyo igomoya wa masomo ekero chapana bagotema kindi gionse especially amang'ana media nabo ikomang'ana ibuna yechi event kobanga bachakire kwegia abarabake.
Yes, yes.
Andake notebe ng'a etofauti gose enchera nere etofauti ekororokana egati ya chi event chabona iga chamatuka etire na amatuka arache gosio.
Yes, I'm telling you, a syllabus ekominyoka obepi
Lazima oba updated.
goiko updated. Number one, oisukuriririkare not matanga tarenge gosenyangi
Omonto bamanyete omokwani gakorwa
mukwani
kenyoro
bwata rikondo kwana na ndiri none chi tents. By the way, devolution ya china mangana mangama ya none wale go source kare white clean tents either Kisumu, Nairobi or Eldoret, but now we have serious events. Chikunya go change every day. There was deco njaka baira set tenting amu decorate tenting inyangi abantu ngagocha kwa kana chiombe
na nde tent yesi yale gutuka na umuyiga bwa matanga abantu bako babwate
intebimbi arengo. So koru 2013 to 20 to where we are, a lot has changed. And when you look kuchibusia ebintu bya change no dancing style to agatengiriga bona abana bachine dance style ya angukana. So
igo bakochiegere cyo
bono goikanchiegere gosendwe ndwe chiro
ngoko gotere in especially
abaisi bana barali lakini ende bono munyete ebintu bibi bikomnyoka bono na bikomnyoka tokunya go change no mubere na ruma itenko gotore goika twanchirane nabura chigwe kumbanguka nayo oibuga igoro barunga kote
anyalo wasaliri
kokorange yenko endere ne chinguru ageri event liyo mumuro mwao mo subcontract oligeke nerarike alikende akolega to your standards. So what I want to tell people, the syllabus ekominyoka sana.
Yes.
Naande bono event chabeire an industry ndataka gotebya abantu nkwari gukundire nteke umwana omuntu Matilda kwari gotebanga CBC ya introduce emeroberiye y'abana okoraga ari mwana kwa guri kondo utena busyo cyagukwana.
Yes.
CBC is a very good program. Nonya abandi bakoye castigate. So it takes us as parents and caregivers kurunkagari kurigeria talent y'umwana. Kochako yenacha mapema. Onyo mwana wakoro kubumba li SK gorosie mic temu mugore mic.
Orengi yako korone
mic. That is what we are told. We have been given an opportunity una baibori. Turigerie byagwebi tobinache bibegento kengenjo. Abantu mbari bagonte binge. Umeta abantu bakora sometimes abantu mbari bakora obwemsi buno gusareka. You know, and let me put something clear here.
Abantu bagotoka semiga andabako bange mega.
Abuna abantu abasare.
Anabantu.
Yani abantu gete batema.
Chimbwa chiabo
yani abana abantu banchite konya gotenga ofio. Abantu batuli barra ntubwatino any family bagataranga abana batengia semiga bano.
Yes.
And people don't see tweeting ebesenero.
TMC ni chi DJ.
Nechi DJ yani no what got tato mino nganta keteko ems okubuli ngaki ama itara agende no fasting
Ekingi
akwe ngata 40 days kaki umwana nachika be DJ lakini bono people must start accepting the state DJ we president one gentleman or a disabled korugega Mwembe and another lady korwa oregega. These people, my friend, 1 gig estate, it's not allowances. Number one, they're employed by government. And then when you state DJ, a DJ, for example, Ochan, a DJ Ochan, AMC Ochan, Naruchi MC Exodus, Nairobi Ngegari MC Ochan. Lakini you want to MC hype. You know, people, they are hype men and they are MCs.
Yes.
I might not hype in a club. Eti oya wapinduru jo siwezi. Zangu ni zile cool hype kama ni hype ya kibazu. Zile ya kelele ya watoto. So there is hype and there is MC. Like in Kisi, MC Jiggy is a very serious hype man. You see, he calls himself MC Jiggy, but he knows he's a hype man. He hypes shows. So some people tikana batalibo umuntari hype ye club. And then umuntu kana MC umuroranga MC someone tiamwe nyangi ochenchege ntukulioka getting still in that setup very serious people. Hype men inalipa. So unaona kina Willis Raburu is serious hype man. Serious guys mo murambere gankora bakorete show getega ye dance. Those are serious hype men. And anayo today wapinduru.
Yes.
Those are hype men. And you can't trust an hype man for a serious moderation. You can have an MC and a hype man in one event.
Yes.
Kwa hype man yeroko hype abantu gali barete to the mood. Watebi twende today tujibambe wapikelele ya mwalimu. Mwalimu anguka nayo.
Abantu basundoka.
Bantu basundoka alafu kwa mwenye kurangiri kubono. Msikina nchigiri. Take the stage. Tusimame kwa wimbo wa taifa. Let's have a word of prayer. Simple, slow, nicely. With Matilda.
Mbia mono sana na kwa MC inchira nere more unique gose industry igekero ko yirigereria ebintu mbiraranda ke abantu batari kumanya igoro ya mangana yo ko MC gose gutinira achievement.
Number one, we can understand the program. Ibintu nebingi sana abantu batari ku understand that kotiri nebusiali wikobe busiali kwango bo busiali mubiro bunori busiali obo so that you are able
nyene nyangi ore nyangi wikirane
onye turiko banyangi ore nyangi kubata stress ya nyumba na bora tware problem
to deliver.
Yes nanda abantu bangeti bamanyenga abantu banda bageti ngokobo kobe MC ngabo ikoti ndo munye ko MC bantu bari kwa mininga no bwate vibe ora akore kore soba most people think ori atindete.
Yes ngavaka kune aveke enda
ori atindete.
Yes
ori aliete goseninki but truthfully talent exists. Abantu te bamanyenga ene talent abantu te bamanyenga kobe MC kuika ebirengererio omubiri over the state. Number 2 kobe MC ngia kuiko rehearse from the backstage kuiko meet your family kuiko wa advice so nebinte tali okubokera negento kwebanga
ogweto makuru mapema
weka bwetome na ande abantu awika bamanyenga standing for almost 3 hours otini negali okunya kumotri tulikiriti abantu abange tirigento kiriraisi so talinga obo amstaringa no gutena kubata likondo nganje hono ne
na gukwana so umuntu akolikire igwenda somera
abantu tiga abantu bamanya there is a serious difference ayene chairman ayonye kole chairman ayene chairman oyo ne MC a professional a trained he understand it inki mutagete kwa good talinga nje ne MC because yokobe chairman ye kenyoro. Come get this training, learn abantu tabasome online tarasimo in the school to work karago tonyora ntoli bangitiba kwa na information.
Yes abaso kubori amangana teamwork okubwaterana naki mugochi mwakora mangana ya kamutari wetu arokungusanana esengenchira bokanyora buna gwate abangana bokanyora kurangirwa event bagote bimba bwate umuntu obo andakena ngorokana na bwate talent ose kwaso asegeto asorangiri kwanyora ngokurwa nsemeyo mbabwate abantu bali bairokire ko bachiemsi. Yes bono kwanyora nga bakamochi okochi kotema gokore gento kerio manyete buna kwiyariganeti kwanyora ori omanyekanete nga gosane chiemsi chinde bate makogote binga aiga yayo
kanyagia.
Yes okubwaterana okoro ko musanana echire enenko
challenges yebwate baba.
Yes
koimuka kwagenda asigetiga one day na chira matanga gete kenyanya a family ya table we want a professional MC wa kanire chibese deposit ne sosire buya ayimukire na ondegari tinda itego chiko so event na tebi ungaki tulia tali gaiga aya na matanga ye kanisa toko yakora ke kanisa kwegure you see kuika nandu irana kubaya berari abande banga abande bariki bakaba muraba batenga so kyumuntu yikuru ase event ye tageti komora but by end up kusali. But one thing kwabulia wiki how do we collaborate is there teamwork again to that tebe why MC might number 1 a client tingo dictate kirengo getagete abake go dictate lakini abaki dictate Kenya orenga that day in the booked. So I must call MC someone there. Mobile, are you available? Yes. Can you take this event? Yes. Interview client. Can I recommend someone? Yes. I recommend MC so and so. There is good collaborations. You know why? MC tali buna tent. Ora tu alech tent 100. Agotebanga na bango tuma tent siketegali. Ntome tent siketegali. MC no muntu. So tinko buturekana.
Ekera achire.
Igora achire.
Taiyo.
Tinko butukana. Mbe for example kusem itierio na ndembe marani.
Yes.
No, so in this game kwikatokoreki. Kwikatubaterane. Kwikatubaterane na ndutware obwanjani omuntu ka ukuburinga. I'm happy some young men who are MCs they come to me bamburinga na irumu lakini nanya koyokora. Na kioro chinko yokora. Na kinko yochaka retirement ceremony nanya gukora. Na ndonye kore MC utabuwa that kind of heart. I'm telling you. And I want to assure you so muruguri ogwetu ani yagetembe. That turi kwenda handi.
Owekanya.
You don't know everything. Tali ya kemanyi. Ebi ntongo change birimna gwateba. So boli muri hoyoro china tebigu na kingo chaka. Kuboli tali boli. Lakini kogu abuma tukora kiri boli bwabo. So tumia abantu banaye gusuka. Tiako wako boli because one gakima umuntu aramboli na kingo kole retirement ceremony. Nimba timoeresa. Gotamoeresa inkina again. Because already I realize. Tadi. Ntamoeresa so what happens? Nothing. He already has the job. Kerara agu. Inkina again.
Tura again.
Nothing. So
Enda mamo yengo tokiri sana sa mangana ya media go sa mangana ikiga yebinto byekerero. Na kyo muntu konyara utware nkorere umete singencho buna mwanya bantu nabo konyaranga event eri nchira yale ngenene wale gocha konge kondeli ango na ababia lakini kwanyora olianda kimwabiri muko bachana gusumu bwato kungsana nero oyenyorire abantu sabotage yamanya basa
omaite tigangote
yes
na ndo bono bumana no somiri kwikobo mungiti bwe mic mic kwikungitie. Do you know you can give someone a microphone abu ate mic ya outshine client getebenga ayabona karaisa rasa
na mwanya bantu ndo wensite yokuganiga
no na itokugani you know it kwikutwara asinari onya kwego event control ara we can control no nyambane na acha I will treat him ne omogeni think omwa mic because I know if I hand it over nkomoiga ako yani ago nsibipi kago nsibe client na bokera tebanga ina ko atachibesa chitago isaini ko atachibesa chingi kwanza ono tingo comment so number 1 we ko mungitu bwe mic kwa otabati mungitu bwe mic kugandanga ko ratiki nkoyo lakini naende tobo mungiti asoke ona ni mic. What do I mean? Kubwate mic ni protect ye yobwate eliendo utabwate ayenana as a media person. Onye mwana munanero kare host ya show somewhere the same time prime time unechi aye lobby kabisa abantu babwate show yao lakini mwana uri minokara atayo kuburinga kiona yugo chagwa chief kwanyora abagani gusengo chikurigiro nchikyanjiki kinanya kumuikira na kiwa koritoka muikira feel free kumweresa go outside
yakoli na abantu chi opportunity
don't for what why seriously why this is something that protect the mic that you have lakini yendo kuburi ngani ngoroje takubatenga ninche bwe kanya bono te ya utindo chingonde na naro tago te abantu ngana bwe kuro batenga ya yanche na iriru lakini can I recommend go say another MC there, can I recommend someone there? Well, don't tell people tiakobo muntu so selfish for things that we were given free and yasai talent inchitali ne chongera. God gave me this, and if he gave it to me, I use it to serve his people, I use it to enrich other people, and also use it to uplift abantu bai. And that is it. And that has been my slogan. Even in government, the MC who is there now, I sometimes tell him, no, I wish you could have done this. Is this the kind of event you are going to host? Can you do this? You see, if he's ready to learn, yeah, until we are free to be used, okonya bana bami. So, ekwa buli ndamwa mwero nyetuare. karai twara kwanza enrich buya ono kare kwe gotire let your cup also do what overflow and feed the rest ikio kare ya koriki keichoire
ogende wokia candle yao
to limyo maete no ene bible gotenga love yourself love your neighbor as you love who no byanjita yo monyina so you first love yourself uranyora chigasi kwanza chiko goichorera bono enana chigo ichora na nduta komanda na ndege kombe kendega si utapasuka
bia mono sana kwagenda se umoyega echinyumba kusemeyega yevirero kwagenda umoyega bwenyangi kwagenda retirement chionsi kwagenda che serikali kero umoyega kwagenda kwaba in that mood. What about your mental health?
Very nice. Lakini I got telling you must have a very stable, focused, clear mind, a mind that is out of stress. Na ndege nte kuma tikroka kwa na passion naro mental health uruire mbio buku kuchanda bongo because ukwe bwatoka unajua unajiachilia
ogo kolege ntukibwanjete
kintu kilibwanjete tumatikira kolege ntubwanjete ukwe yani stress te lakini kiroko kolege nto ogo force oigwe tintagete mbems lakini tumaiti no no gotenga uri very stiff to enjoy so konyorore gento lakini bongo bwa oburenga kangane serikali ngokora so yani onye gento ngirige produce stress being on the mic so my mental health is very clear, and by the way I'm also championing for that, especially to my brothers men. Last time, if you remember, during Father's Day, I was here.
Yeah,
I was here to just tell men that it's good to prioritize themselves. It's and something that I've started, a movement called Brotherhood. It's championing for the rights of a boy child and a wazee. So that I also tell them abandi
kubakonyegera
abandi nabali 50 bose 32 abagaka bali batatu nandi kibakonyegera bali so stiff ali serious no bugima nakitoko analia bagaka bangi. So I tell men kiwe kirume na ikwe igure nonya zilizopendwa nyegera toki tenga when you dance, when you laugh, oko relax, your mental health ekovingia. Abantu bako chibara tumuye hange ninu abangina. Mungina ko yunge keriata nga ikirubuge riata. Mune riata bakaigoro stress ya soki. Pressure ya korri ya eri. Maka bwake gechuri. Omumuro yobona tumaite ntumbara.
Mumuro nabuge tentune bigori byaye.
Umaita abantu bari bakore tumuye gataringa batagete kende. Bakore MC a vibe. Koko kya abantu bekinyero baratenga. Umuntu akoro gotenga ya stena kuroche gari ena bange tumuye go which cousin yani ochora abaseki mbanya goseka.
Twara twalire obukenduga.
Twara makongwa twetana ni rero tukobwata family bonding. Twategete MC kora totengi gitu akichi game. Wono bakakata race batenge. So this is something that is also well in yani kebekiribya aso gukora mental stress. Kingo chomo yagari mbasa kikabire gatatu. Kwa nesta ergetega masake kwa gwende na nchana koriki. Na nchana gwende. Yes. So tiatu encourage abana ba mitonga ekenege ntukingencho kogekora na gosos omuntu bwengencho aso muyego koreta maskani okoigubuya no enayo munyene no nando gosiku nkyo gosikira mama
atakanguburi ase obo MC basubati mbali ko obo MC
abasubati mbaro GMC.
Yes,
and thank you so much. I've tried really hard to do some mentorship. I was mentoring a young lady called Vivian Umariba. She wanted to be an MC, but God provided a greener pasture and she left our company. I'm encouraging, if onye kolinya ruka baba nkagari.
Kuwatekeo.
Onye kuwatekeo gotegete ko MC. By the way, I'm very available. One time I remember, my sister Bonega, she doesn't stay with us. Na enchiranyo that kind of opportunity was through MCing, my last born sister, Kezia. You know, she was an MC, she was a lady MC. I was given a job, but that organization yaga change gateba. To arrange the things to go discuss, they were discussing on how to end FGM. So you know these things, there are some touchy things utakuwa na sabangina. So and then she told me, my brother, this is what I want, I can be, you know, and she did so well. And from there she's now moving kwar nande emerubiri y'abaswati yabaire mengi. You see Nana there kunya kubari gari MC. You guys abaiskaba come, Matilda, just come. Simple things.
Yes.
Inju mobe trained. By they have not seen serious lady MCs, but na already MC say Boykoyo mbabwate serious lady MCs. Na already Bogere, don't kindly misquote me, I don't mean Akothe. I mean MCs abasubati. Na already Bogere very very serious. I've seen GMC Koru Bukamba, who are ladies, and the coast. But Gusiga, Tindar, apart from this lady or the presidential, Jackie, there's a lady or the presidential, Omogusi. Nerenkagete or MC Gusiga, but Tierbono are more to government, national. For these events. So if you see a lady on your korumu nyaruka nkagari, or feel you want to be an MC, kindly at Thames Kenyan Chigiri Entertainment, we have that opportunity to co-corner mentorship, how to become a good MC. And this is something that I want to assure you that it will pay you better and more.
Yeah, na nekira tu anda kinavura kwandira pasubati, lakini kwanyora enjira umugusi yako irira ng'omwana omonyaroka tawenti kunya gotuma umete MC ng'eyo bwana nto omuntu ore tumete omuntu ochangamugete omwana omusubati boru nancha nyore ngotenda ngotuma bosi bwa abantu nembaika anda kinavo konyora ng'a enjira abantu barakorigire gose chinkwana njira abantu barako chiko chiko goito moyo.
I know it's good that ekinkero asomogusi, but rending at the end of the day, is that kotumatuma paying your bills? You know yourself. You are not kotumatumaring because you are intoxicated. You know you are doing your work. And I'm happy that my team in Tumbio to Alcunya Gukwana Viachakire Koera, like one of them was Arabana Banyaruka Sabagusi was there, but now in Keyo. So community society when you go change Karen Kwara Konyora MCA, no know your mochor. But you can say MCA and Kochor every time Umunyaruka. You can agree ngano yene chikanisa chachakire kwa abangina. Like the Catholic Church Konyorango Mungina Naro, Okoegu, Obo MC, Leno Mungino Siret. You know what is that? That is MCing. So these people need to be trained. Abana Konyoranga ne youth Siret. And they want to say the youth must run. Ne youth nyaruka go kakorek ne rekoran. So ontake te banga abagusi bachakire we ebinte byachakire ko era baba Matilda Minto na ndi nkora te abantu ngaki ngomuntu akombuli yanda kinu no gutuma tumega no nywa mete
no bwatabana konda nyumba bakoroka
tata no gocha kwe bwatoka igokonyageria maguru and
bone boli asomusubati.
It doesn't matter. No matter kare umusubati kwa nane campaign. Campaign ili umuntu. Okoreka na umuntu sangangarete. Truth is utaso agati bapense bweru ne roche gukiranga ure nyumba gari gukirete. Mutagatifu chao utari gosoka bweno ane kofi town yo munyetenga umuntu nacha kurusi mino gari kwa rwe chaime kweya kama buta wesaransa gesona. Nobody will come for you there. Esibi ebokabuki soka busonga ke kanyukofi interact n'abantu mwasomete n'abarabu irana kagari where other women have, if they are empowerment chikurangiria basubati and people are paying chikoba mentored pay igenda gari. That is where people get their couples and other things, you know. That is where you get to korusyobo ebinte bano cyo ikegega watu mutaracha weka taracha iga kwagura ebintu kwagura nyumba sangapi ekarakari tiago tengelinga tatu mino na maetenga Matilda ona n'umwana akinite na maskani ogutuma tua yakonya gutuma gari nebe sa koreki nebe sa kuri. I once met a dad yomo sanione DJ ole Nairobi nkamuboli ngakyogo chikwarigeri, a very famous DJ yo say itali ngakyogo chikwarigeri omwana mune DJ agante of all my children omwana nero gontumira chibasi chinyinge. And I have another hype man tatu mwa musani on son nero gontenga my son every weekend kera aruri ko high pressure a club maambi on a Sunday morning ninde shwen konyorane not less than 5,000 every Sunday. So if the community na beko go judge lakini tata mwirama iteno kuri toburi masekete wetero gutuma tumuko
inere gorete ndagira
abana bawo ngosoma bari school buya wetero gutuma tumuko kwegure so ayeto nyagotegerra there are many queen girls chabere gaiga and now by class one bakote they need a lady MC yani opportunities they are here bonding chaba subati chabere chinyingo meta subati myanji sana bonding chaba subati chabere chinyingi so sometimes they want a lady MC because they ntbago chukwana oh if I got one almost kego tekete ko MC toko yani potential MC musubati regaiga because na rini ruchigi chitakete MC musubati for example muna to ateba what omongi no serete and they want that figure yomongi no moderate event kwal what will happen so they will source for an MC which cost ya matangayo tali kereba ekanisa ne kurigirie koranga no mongi na bareta igomba askari chikurie kanisa yo mongi na ko host event onye kolega ari buyo mwana we wegete skati ugasiba hande bono gusosa na karebika umanyire ogwe present bono musubati weke gusi MC mugusi yani kwisi bitaka karebika ubegete yange ntambe buya onye naga suit okubeka buyo soka gari ku MC okoba so nje this is abantu tyabacha kurigiriye gente ke bono bunejo akirigiri bune job bakara no gutuma nk'umuntu yagutuma
nze akorokana asiarugite
asarigite
ale usenaki
for example kwanyore event ere butuko anye tatu minuta ukwege no manyanga ne event nagenda butuko ocha otebu goriti ayebuye bunaye naboko bajajite nakibuye bugoriti na kore event so igari ya name home kwal dando mete obo MC bro mete is kind of showbiz kuiko oba so korrekana naro once in the evening waso kega sababo erikiabuga bakobera kwali no barabwe
wasanga na barabo
abantu banya kunyuranga oh I have an event so you can't be an MC or just one side
ando kumera no kuiga konyoranga after work na kuokoleta connections
obe if you meet where these people meet ba gukuinyora
ondetayo gocha gukora
gukuinyora
yes
kuikora kana na okira okora Matilda by the way I had an event
twato moye
asinari twari ku discuss out of sight out of mind onye toyo ko sakleti guy street ya basongo wego tare onye turi gocha show bune mwande tabana wa mitumbia mono mwanginde tagega mwangostri ngogocha kokumanya nobody
so bakoba sabantu ba okumera nabo
kuikoba bono erikyo minto ayo mwana mtu Matilda ngocha kondangire mware ngonya ntali kura eta naba kwani oso mwa gwetega mwa nanda mwe ngomuntu raro kunya gukwanusika naraka naso muyega nabaseki mwate ba this gentleman tutakire kumurangire what if ngirete gari tindiko post na Facebook nkwero kems munko manya mware
ondetayo chakomko
twebuka boki
yes
togenda sa abantu kwali twancha abantu ba minto tuika abantu ba mintange tiga abantu ba mindo bamanye n'ubwatekegwa onye turaika onye turaba tigana onye turaba kora events no nyembusa turaya go to these free events tebanga gakyumwa n'umuntu utaracha nitagete kunya gukwarika ni abantu ngango chule nchenya kunara you see that makes a lot of sense
yes
tikakobera simyiganga nchene MC ninchenge no ayigunga akyamatanga mukabwate mwali konga for free because I remember even how I got this work I'm doing in government. I was volunteering to campaign with the then governor. And I don't need money because I could live with him in a campaign. I told him I want to be employed. So I engaged him. Kabatari kondoli ayabusa. Katanga sabusa. But at the end of the day, nari kuruwa busa. Nabali korra. na chiro mate kuri umuntu ngankonye gasi ngokorre irenga
Kokora buya.
Okumutenga ya yanchi tinta getubone guranga kane natagete kola volunteer ndagokora kokora mbi yango kora nabo kongakana okora tindi konyara nabo kokora because this is something okomis. One, you are talented. Two, it's a calling. Three, it's you are passionate. So you must go where this thing is. Okwane no na atakwa gas lakini kwa kwane wo utuki na bwatarero likondo na igu
Umesema ikutoke.
Imenitoka kwa na atanga gas jenara kwa na sana moyo muboya.
Yes.
So sometimes inchu angena abantu volunteer kore bintebi. I remember kenari guchangira abana ebinyoro gari kuba tari kona tangaza the whole day na rero mwana mintu Matilda baitu takari smart gaki ai hotel siringi 100 siringi 10 abantu baseka akote ati steri gutangaza
Akonyara umuntu urule na nyita tabwati.
encouragement yukunya kwa kwanya koranko nya koini so volunteer egasi ne tegeta go volunteer kongesa na ali kanisa michango ye kanisa ya ino tene na bosio chaka kunara and luck will locate you abwasa korteki lakini ngokarete kenyoro gari echaine gyo soka para kwalia mandasi kwera na nyumba watulia wati unigatembe kwaligereri kwarara and kwabo kwa ngamba chinsiaga same routine day in day out I am sure tegeko kwegule sangapi soka busunga sama konda ali stadium sabali kondo kakinga nkwa nake. I remember one day again take Kongo sana then this guy got koroku Njoroge Ndirangu. I was selling trees iga ametena rekoni so na bwate opportunity yo kwandalia show ngo beautify bale ama ugananya kubona naba beautify iga lakini likondo likabeku eshongu chiri go chakali kondo likabeku so I went there ngataga kingamba kore testing kore mic testing one testing mic check nkorega kidogo ngaligania abantu batema binesho umuntu uli akataka kuonera but this guy the DC then Njoroge Ndirangu noted the passion I had nkaroko ando kuno umuntu uliga okumubuli inkyo mwana uli atagete likondo si umpe tu nkaiguliko mpe tu atusaidie kutest kwa nkaigu kabwata likondo gari ngata mic check mabibi na mabwana, kesho ndo sherehe ya show hapa, maonyesho ya kilimo ya Kisii yatatendeka hapa kuanzia kesho. Na waomba mje, mic check 1 2. Pale nyuma mnasikiaje? Ujumbe unafika? Nionyeshe kwa mkono. Asante. Kabwa tukalikondo. Then Njoroge Ndirangu told me come. Kangina ofisi ya SK. Nkaiuliru ndio kwa na Arena MC. Just because they volunteer to go mic check. Nkawe Arena MC kurwaringa chako develop that kind of passion slowly and I found myself here. Tinari kusaransa Mutonyo ni village ntakete kwa MC nyako kora mazoezi ano. This one I have to tell people, just if you want to be an MC,
Yes.
come meet people.
Umerana sanga na
bantama.
Yes.
Umerana na bantaba bara mekriti ase field yote koreki utagete kubwati. Babulia maswali tiga bako guide.
Asemeremende yonsi.
Asemeremende yonsi. No, so it's about hands-on skills, inspiring the youth. If you want to be what you want to be, you must have a role model. Okoligeli you look up to. And this role model, if you are able to commit, sacrifice, meet this person, learn from this person. Don't fear to ask what you don't know as a young person. Ask the people who have made it, even in business. Naki wana wegi tega. If you want to grow, you must be with the people. Wikobe nawa?
Nabantu.
Naki bago teba. Sike gusi. Ega somo. Ekego kini. Lakini ngeri okoraki. Ngeri kungaini. Ega somo ekego kini. Nabo kini tili murabo li chongoroga ligia. Lakini no mobere to chongoroga te. Bongo naki okwa nabantu mbokore tiki. Mboyo. Soka isiko. Meet the people as a young person. Tarasa abantu bakoba. Experience this thing. Manyachi opportunities as chire. Go kera ko kolege ntoko kora. Na ande bono abasaba minto. That is why government has changed. The only inspiration da abayenchire roiga. This work yama ko nebi yewe bitere nyasai. Bigwa kana byamono sana. Kubwana na masomo ayo. onye kwa irwe school, and this is what I tell my children. My son Denzel, you want to be a doctor? Yes. But what else do you have? I'm very good in cooking. Very good. Now, can you also, as you study to be a doctor, can you also
Endelea
follow?
kupika.
Endelea kupika.
Yes.
Tupikiange ka food kako kenye nao. Soma hizi menu ukisoma shule. Don't follow just one line. Just one line. Kaba omuntu ore okwagara. That is the word. Emanye. Like now, kando nchi noko we master of ceremony. Nki kiandete town. Noko ni emete. That is where talent yane yanducated. Na wati talent, lakini na wikanari gucha sabanta bange town. Nki kiandete town. Nkahagara ngachakoni, amaua, flowers, town. So I could meet chi advertisement chi nyingi, chi road show chi nyingi, nasa bariko, likondo. Onye nta agari tinga chakoni emete. Kucha kumena ringi that talent yani. Onye nta agari tinga soe kanisa. Nga soe kundi kia Zion. Nga chaka koba umwanu Sunday school. Ngocha koba nena ringi talent yani. Ana guchi kanisa na isaransa busi. Maagari ga na ne Bible yani.
Kura nawe mutanga ni basoko
wachiri. Na kura mutanga
wachiri.
na agenda. Tindi kura na maakira basaya bakurangirigu. Batei nimbo ato kichekesho. Wase yani mbaro ki what I can do. Tochongwana kidogo. Imanye build my thing. So agara as a young person, you are in Nairobi ore estate yomenyete kwanya koraitoke kibanda ke kon matoke ake simika tumiro matoke nakaguni mara wakwa class igora tigeduka ya emanyunge ko guchakira saa 12 mpaka saa 4
Bameteng'orire rotai.
Eskuru akali. Ntagetiri toke. Ukikuja ni weekend ya 30. Tako gana Nairobi aye focus yao. You can be focused in school. But again, kule school, look at these opportunities. That is why nkura tebya Bible. Omwana unaranga iri kwenda school. Taribu. Kokso ari September intake. Sindio? Omwana uyu kurwa kuri school ndiri. Ndiri omwana mututabe ko sen December last year. Taribu. Obere kimetinyirenge 6. What abantu bandi bakora? Abakubwatu omwana uyu kakanyite gusoe college. Onye nenyaruka gusoma umura. Bamutenki bwanjete. Community bamwire gusinekyo ga polytechnic okore course a short course ya 3 months yo community otware certificate yo community muna wika Nairobi ali ase room ya area nkamanyata
no akomenera
no agusuma abana gocha onya kubami chisimi gocha kanga mami ntumie pesa ya fare 50 bob sina
shinke
chigokya kwal omwana uri abwate ali multitask kuminari tukimarogoba mambinari class tiga umuntu takogenda ase kwabanga origeretie focus egenteke mugyoka. Yes, the focus is good, but again emanyambia gukananda korteki oire byao bira commentera kaka agasiringi bira commentera maskani bira commentera okomenya. So as young people bagukina bono na abayiburi bari tubata abana tatoteme go support abana baitu tiga batore buna chimenta na yake rumwana goteringa dad I want to follow this route motegerere for one na yonye gwachore ko be DJ don't be like those other DJs to aba only gwachore ko be hype man go sems don't be, you know you can be an MC kore sober just like me. I'm very funny Kenende sober with water. If I happen to intoxicate myself go develop over. So can you be the changer? Can you be the changer man target that you are the DJ or you are the only DJ or kunywa match and let your dad know that. Ati kunya kuoba matebi dad by the way nikuwa nyako rase nko MC. Nitagete nko iri. One day kena mamu mintando uche nko MC. Shiniari at first atagete go tama because of the things I was doing. But yani later akacha agoseka na nche mupime tene risoli yakandunga ndio ina kubayanga sukari.
Chiringo tomana chechi.
So tigatuanchira abana baitu babwati that part barata ko mubabo koraki ovaire.
Mbia muna sana nekero oturagende omutima komoke na bwe twirane ugokorera tukwanire abera tatwana muna sense meyo wakano na bwe goturigiriri ngaki abasae baragendere gutumeke biye gwabiri babwate asamo tukaya igasinchire ndonge.
Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri kuririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogoko obokoreri asechinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri asechi tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Uhuru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721217817. Hazina Siri Events, this is a surety. Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirogo byechisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki chamanna baguchira eskuru na boygo echokubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa elia manna baguchira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirogo na boygo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo okorarira.
Gagi. Omwana yo boy, diganda ndango ichibeza. Chibeza ntabu atemuko, lakini naikire taracha seito, nanyorire mwapo ichi wakali. Hai, wone chibeza ko enda mpulingi ko pulingi. Hemeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru. Hemeito yo konyora bana chisare. Kwara zangu ra duniani. Kaki, horoje baka nabwate baka ebintombire bakoro kachiferi beti. Chikorozi. Ebirogo Diechigari. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sepika imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu kaki mwezi tabatari. Ninchu gocha moye binto kuruga mwapo ichu wakali. Hili! Omuganga James yokoroko. Kaki.
mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo by'ekigali nabo igo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha arms ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonya ne chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
Njempo ichwa karisto na bariga ni mwesto kole biasara sobu amo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwes
Gaki. Gaki, genda mwapoi gaki nyasaye baba boli chwakali. Gaki, egotoka alinsa litara chambili. Gaki, ligere libudango kuanete, omushi omubihili. Gaki, nari goli kwa alense. Ebinto nago lilega gaki. Bui chwakali. Hai! Hili. Gaki. Hili. Hili. Hai, ngokonkonya. Mushi mubihili. Kuri tibintu mnimamba.
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandegere uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandegere.
Karibu sana na ndio mwancho murigire na kero tugendete no muroberio yiga bono kero turigetie gocha gukura na iga se studio buna konye enda kumanyiriko se tugendete usanganere MC Iliteri Kenya Nchigiri and then what ebe ke banchigiri chinsa.
I was just referring us to just not at the commission later ya month.
Anyway, asinsemo yiga ya mangana bono tubate aba MC tubate DJ event planners. Abange bakwenda nonye bona abateri bona ese industry yiga abasa abange basoira matuka abwangoiga kama konya robo siereri mboraro askero yekire ngwakanere bya lakini kwa makonyora clients bande andake bako bakonereri gose bako bashera timeti hasasa
Omaete umuntu kero kumutenga host ya matanga I want like 70,000. What? Kutena na gukwana busiari.
Kubatali kondo gukwana orangelia abairi n'abasani.
Ntoko ya 70 why? You know, I'm just getting an example. Usikwanya rana kumatenga abono plus transport and you know where I'm ngago send 20,000. Umuntu kotenga what? A whole 20,000 I cannot pay that. Obusieri limboro. Alafu abantu bandu maite there is a way I don't know how they quantify. Ngangwa kolega sia wekirani because they have never done it. So naboko nyoro muntu mukwiwa nero kwa down payment. Kwa kolega sia you expect your full amount omuntu okori.
Obora.
Okori natu. Okotenga bono kiriwa kora keku guaranteeing kwa 20,000. But you know nebintu sana ngokora kinde busiari. Ebinge sana from obongo bwane coordinate other things to make ebintu ibe line. It needs a steady mind. Nintakere gwake luku. You don't expect me to come to an event enyangi kugresi enyangi alafu mbege tama chanjawe. Where do you expect me to get that money from to have a theme color to your wedding? It's maroon. The maroon I had ya gotire. So it is from your money. It is from what you pay. That is why I will get a black suit for that funeral. That is why I will get a white shirt for that funeral. For God's sake. Ene gasi. Batie ko siereria abana bandi bari gasi yao. Tiri gasi rais. Munango gote. Tiri gasi rais. Goikabwe bange. Nokwe bange oku. Ngotege tokoreki. Uragire buya. Kukwanu mate uragire. You know this. Muna want to kwane for like we are doing 2 hours, but I know you can feel it. So mbara tunga no kwano nuka. Bao kurukanga yani oinu muntu kwano nuka matanga. Okwano nuka matanga. So I don't deserve to eat. So boseri obu. Abantu baiturende. That is why you work with a serious client. Or you wake a red card. Because I have a red card. As narenta itani. So if you want my services, you must pay for them. You want me to plan your event, you must pay for that service. Thank you for contacting Kenya Nchigiri. We will do business next time. Asante. You must have standards. Not every event, you must be known that this is a standardized person. I've worked to be where I am. So if you want that kind of vibe, obusiani obwase event yao wiko bwakanire onye turi kunyara
mboli gocha bosa
onye turi kunyara asante sana tutafanya kazi next time. God bless you.
Mbia mano na say family na abasa abuna bono gusito kwanira abange baino gusaba MC DJ chinyinga tokora it's your agenda anda kenkobere umuntu kwigwarenga ano nyabasubati ngobo abarenga oyo ne DJ ya like mukonyara maintain a relationship yenu kose okwamate bwao ne kayao na boiko ne mirimo yao tesona ne nyumba yao.
It's always challenging at first. My wife was like nchega kyonye kokonyoma goikotige binte byo kunya gukora
kunya kugabana makondo kunya gutara emeyega
but kerana akari ngo mutenge kwa ndande event na mutumire mpesa go 10,000 na mutebeke kigancha gabu kuringa what China chogo cha kuchere 10,000 you mean. So she starts accepting. So at the end of the day umaite chiba sichi wako rega sinko baikira chire nkorra bali kwal na soka kwa the event wakande school fees wakore shopping and then you have kwalirenke onye baguchirira there is no problem lakini onye kwa the event pesa chimba likorra kuso kuikawa boy onye kwa the event ya era saa 10 wacha bukia and you don't inform them and there is no money to show for that muntaka over kuikaba boy because there is one day na go take clip eske nyangi gete then I can't forget a clip ekiwono my wife akakibuguri akantumira akantenga nando buri elieta the way to atengete no munyarukuri
umunyanyangi
tali umunyanyangi rende this lady
umuntu orenga so
so muye style to atengete nere and she was not a kissy akana atengete nere nkamya kuburia bangina abangina kuburi ndelieta kuburi ndelieta na incentambukira akatenga buri kwara so that the kind to atengete
musubati akakeumera
ne style to aligirira ne it was just a dance yekene musubati akataya no. This is not just emceeing, but purely kuikobe say events. Kuikobo onye kote abantu batenge kuiko tenge so tokote abantu tenga ego kirete. But then at the end of the day now I understand like me I'm a good father. I know that I can tell to the whole world that I'm a good father. I take care of my family. I'm a family man. Well, I respect my family because again, my client in Chikogosika, you don't respect your family. Sometimes when they see like your family is doing well, job. But you are seeing always drunk to the CV. They can't even give you that work. So, family. How you take care of that family is how you get blessed. So I have a plan. I have a way forward. going forward, we want to have so many mentors. We want to have boys, girls, but bagoche company to bakore mentorship, bakore egasiye. So I want to appeal to those young men and girls there who want to join our company, yeah, MCing. Just come, we mentor you up. Just come. You are an MC, you have challenges, please come. I don't say that I'm a forest of all these things, but Naberi as an industry for long, because I'm a pioneer MC. I want to say that I'm a pioneer MC in Kisii. People have known that MC is paying because of me. They have joined. I'm happy because I showed them the way. So, kereba the problem, abantu to just come to me. We are not competing. Events echinto gukora.
Rero nane chire chinyingi abantu banchire mega.
Chinyingo konyoranga matanga. Abantu bachanchire matanga ari Friday ubwatayama ubwatayanda. Ka abana bamino. Tiago tanga oyo ni mwa. Talibuna ta konyara lakini ndi tigaba tenerego. Just tell them his potential.
Twarore buna bona ase tukurigera nonye music industry ikiagera no moko kore miremo na murabu kwanyora bagoteba ninga asa baiga bakiba guchaka bonega banari gutumikirite riga upcoming kwanyora nga ase miga eria menene usekero bakubanga kogenda noye komenta na chinguru gusego segetana kwanyora nga abaiga bagukina buna bona yorate ba NMC tubwate nonye DJ bande bagukina bono baguchaka emirimo yabo boniga kwanyaranga ino bali abana mukona mwagungora aba bana mwabaruka upcoming kose timenti kose the rest kose others.
There must be always ranks. Ranks kwa kachivo.
Lakini bono kwanyara mwagungwarire.
No, I was once an upcoming.
Yes.
Maite egasi yaitu ningunkwara. Ditukeri monko nyorori bagunga outshine. Because it happens. I know there are young men born like HMC, Chechinyangi, Parava Yakombwa. I'm not the Alpha and Omega. I'm not God. There are young boys here who are working, who are doing a very good work. I've referred them and they are doing a very good work. So, no gunkwara. And I got a bigger. Di kondeli, we go origitere. Tonight talk about something like this. That you are here in Sa. We got them a uplift ya barakini ngora slowly. Agocha wikegura abaire. So sometimes ukunkwara nkoro kuya gokonya go comment. Muno konya kukunkwara muno konya gutwara nganya sawa yomo. Ditukunda eguri kondeli. Watati. But the best thing is we are free to have mentorship. You don't come to my structured events that the client has trusted me with. Guachiro you want to get crash.
Yes.
You know that is lack of professionalism. Ochaya kumananga wo na chito ronchi bune MC akandi nali kondo. Oh no. This is a paid event. You come to a public event before serious things start, I'll give you a microphone. You see, but this is a serious event, paid. It is my services that were paid for, not yours. So, and if the event goes down, if it spoils in any way, ningo ukoboli. No matter where to gadri kondo mam. Let me tell you a short story. There are 2 minutes. Tukagenda event ya serikali. Somewhere go Kigali, Machoga Borapo. I think it was Magenesti.
Yes.
So one of my guys twara connected us in the office. Akabwata li kondo. You know, kerota ketaba umuntu usaba so muyega bwe serikali. Kuikomu omokore vetting in Keigo. I want you to make it 3 minutes. I want you to make it 15 seconds or 30 seconds. And ukisikia nimekutab, jua tu, mariza. So he didn't do that. But because I didn't go Monacombwa and Amaete, so he thought that that is the right way to go. Akao mungi nagetili kondo. Mungi no tiacha ake kusaba. Homone nyasai, ukuna baraya bachinkoro. Munabono mugambio na chiro obisi ya. Kunyagucha. Mukune nkorongo chekogenda. Angigulire. Tacha gatunga inebusa. Akini obisi tali gotoka. Siri tali Yesu Kristo ilo mutolito. Amen. What has that happened? Nkeki. Sabotage. And that is how that guy got a transfer from that office. Yani without thinking. I get office. Why? obeka likondo libe loose. This likondo, my friend, ekinege nteke kong sana. Ngoko aye ne msiori no manyi ne msiori lakini utagete konkora. Ngoko ali likondo manyi kubwata otiorokote abantu ngabantu mwesi muromo yegoyo. Inu na machara ebyo tobus. Mukunya gutona liba gaga. Kende nke mukerochi. What have you done to omuntu gwakanto muye?
Wasalire. Watiringire.
Ayo gwakanga ngokonyuru yo kumbe ngokora.
Igori kondo nayo gutwara.
Nayo gutwara. MC aminonyo yacha buno mwiri. Igo kumwakwana buno mwiri. Onya gusira gusebwe bwenyange.
Tariyo komwenda bugeko urusi.
Ngakarakwana ngakaratengia abantu ake. Arabatengire ndonyo ristera kubatengita ryo yatekire. Ngwaka nuruche balance. So tagadi 3 kondo. Likondo lingoro meme. Elingana lia kwani ruka. Tokoraki. Tokoirani. Damage likondo lirakore my friend tokunyara koirani. So you must guard as an MC upcoming, guard your microphone. But be open to opinions. Ekiko igatokore.
Mbiyamana sana twabire tugutwara andake excitement omuntu obuna abana abasaye bono akoba exposed akonyora chi event chingwaka na chire banyora konyora nga baburire umuntu omesa kabiri gatatu iga oli makoburi nga inkikia leta abasaye nkai bagenda twarira abange bagotera abande ake besokire buna TMC alafu turi guchikwamanya story chabo chera.
Maite, that is a very good question, Matilda. Nande, it's unfortunate because omanyete stardom umaite go chana challenges chinyinge sana. Na you might go shine as an event, so that is where beautiful ladies are. So if you can't control your lust for ladies, they can take you down. That is, if you are paid money, might sometimes it's not easy to quantify the kind of work you did. Koranga Karwanu might think, what could you calendar yao? Booked for Thursday, a wedding, booked for Friday, a funeral, booked for Saturday, a family gathering, booked for Sunday, church fundraising, booked for Monday. So what could you do? Koranga ni ndiechi mambi chiko nataki
ngoja chire
chiri mambi nchio andi chiri mambi chiko chotaka ni ndiechi mambi nchio kwa you are seeing that chiwazi chiko nataki echiro lakini ma chiko chikubutuka na rolimu. So again, you have money, you want to maintain status, you want to drink drugs, has spoiled so many artists now, which sometimes make me very nicely. But it's that is why trainings is good, this kind of mentorship that you need to be told. As much as you invest in yourself, drink. If you drink liquor, drink what is befits you and what is pocket friendly. Don't drink to please people. Don't attract abantu abanguna kwa ende show maita abantu matinga muna ende show akani wele bumbiri. Ande batake tuli 1500. So what I'll tell people is abana abaitu bateme ko kwebuguli style kete. So one that kills talent is too much drinking, drug abuse. It will just take you down. Number two, not investing in yourself. You must smell good. You must look good. Kababuya, so that you attract that money. Don't let people not pay you and you appear to the events looking like, reckon event and then number three, money. People need to be mentored. How do we invest in money? So stardom telling it, and my tell as motel is more. You can be a motel who doesn't drink. So unfortunately, my sister, you can always see a liga. Turn around event and you finish and she knows. So we must control our last two stare mingi. And we must also know how we invest in our money. And I'm now having another plan. Actually, I've worked for, let's say, actively in MCing for, let's say, around 15 years. So I'm feeling like now the new roles are coming up. So I must start thinking on what to do next. That is why I'm now an event consultant. I can plan an event. Necessary not to MC. So to go to kwa mnyanga nkwera keri. And when it is so sweet, inaenda kuisha. So you must know that.
Mbia mana sana ndo chenga no to kolabo se litukolia lero anda kanye kwa bwate kende kwa recommendera.
Yes, I have a way forward and
yes.
Amana baminto, I come from a constituency. I come from a constituency a year Bonchari na Nenkurunde ward. Na aligireri the kind of leadership that is abantu abugia kumubakoyo. And I want to use this opportunity to tell my people nga wanare kienieke sana, wanare sauti bansabere tokunya gutara I'm available for them bahache for the planning each event batebi abantu baminto unatokoba. So I want to take this opportunity kwanya bagia kuba minto wherever you are. You are so good people nyasabarende ngwakire mbia mano Matilda Minto. Thank you very much for hosting me and this Gatembe family Etwan show. This is a honor. This is a marketing strategy for me, and I take it so with an open heart. Lastly, dear clients, MC Kenyan Chigiri Africa's finest is your dedicated MC, talented, passionate, and ready to execute your event. Call on us.
Kenyan Chigiri, wancho mulire oyo MC Kenyan Chigiri onokogurera goteva no monchaliare na onyare gusanga naye iko asabasai ngagirite ikikwaringe konyora sima mbia bono kwa kenyore kurenda sabono batokorera bo ase umurore bwetwa ni Gatembe ase iritukuria rero mbia mono kegima nchengoro ko Matilda Ovaigo.
That is a good show.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Yesterday. Kijana hujasoma na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndio nimekubali.
Mashallah.
Kiwangu, unaunguza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV. Yani Zuku Swahili mambo ni buli buli. Ware.
Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu utamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV. Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero. Ili wimanyibu na mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao. Ngakiende yonsi. Inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto. Voigo share na basani amuni amate. Ili waigokie. Vaimanye na wesemia. Tobase kweva. Turn on a notification bell yani ekengere. Edio onyaliko bagoko yanyora. Chingaki abikiri ase omtandao. Gatembe Television Network. Ekinakyo ekeunga. Kiamwa mogusie. Sha Ceramics netuka. Iyo ekoni bintu by'ubwagaji au